This is how to make a simple homemade fertilizer, a rooting agent for your plants that is chemical free and 2 ingredients. I use this maybe twice a week when my plants are just starting to grow. So I cut off a piece of aloe from my aloe plant. It's super simple, 2 ingredients. This is 100% plants feeding plants. Aloe is so good for so many things, you know, skincare, and a lot of people didn't know it's a rooting agent. It's one of nature's best way to make strong roots. So we cut it up, the whole thing, put in a little cinnamon, because cinnamon is also a great rooting agent. Give it a spin. Strain out the solids. I use an old coffee strainer. That way you don't have any solid pieces that sit on top of the dirt, you know, and they can mold or anything. You want to get all the solids out. Pretty green color. Gonna pour it in here and mix it with some water. And then let the green color. So like I said, this is plants feeding plants. No chemicals, no chemical fertilizer. You put on your plants twice a week and they will grow big and strong. You won't have to worry about, you know, chemicals, rinsing chemicals out of your